Are you telling me that you're really still using Google Slow Pair to connect your phone to your hearing aids? Come on, it's 2026. Google Fast Pair is a quick way of connecting wireless technology to Android devices, which was previously reserved for earbuds, smartwatches, and gaming accessories. And why am I talking about it today? Well, it has now opened up to the world of hearing aids. So you'll be delighted to hear that you can now connect your hearing aids to your Android device in seconds. But wait, what's that? You don't have a Starkey hearing aid? Oh, I'm sorry team. This is only available if you have either the Edge AI or Omega AI Starkey hearing aids via a firmware update rolling out on January the 28th in the US and February the 25th in the rest of the world. After this update, it's as simple as placing your Starkey hearing aids next to your phone and a pairing notification will pop up on screen. Tap connect and then you're all paired and ready to go. I should probably mention that you can also do this with Oticon hearing aids too, but that's it, there is no one else that has this tech. If you want me to make a how-to guide, then let me know in the comments beneath this video and I will get to it straight away. And if you want to know what else is being activated in this firmware update, then you have to check out this video.